Katanat yalekai jang Khuborjylla negasngi kala Shillong ya kajingelang perkhat kam naga benta ka Jingpynkhreh ka lumpung yalekai ka bahe tam hakari kabala tipkum ka National Games ka banlong ha Meghalaya House number 1. Habakran bat kilat pathai Khubor Menteri Katanat ba wailat Khhuborjylla gula pentip ba ka Jingpynkhreh kala Iaid Shaid ha ka ba nak haliang Katanat sports jang Khuborjylla pedengru ki wan ban bud din bat petngor na kapor syakapor.
Yeah, recently, just a few weeks back, under the under the chairmanship of our chief minister, where not only for national game only, but actually he took the review meeting of all the department. So there we have present the presentation to him, and we are on track. All the construction of all the competition venue is going on, and we have mapped the accommodation in our state, which we feel that Shillong we have the numbers, but we are right at the moment we are having shortage in Tura and in Jowai, which we have also have a plan for that. We already have given the scheme from the tourism department for this boutique hotel, where almost I think 70 to 75% of subsidy will be given from the government, at least because we don't want to create any more infrastructure, because you know that just by if we continue to build infrastructure also, it will be very difficult, will be challenging for us to maintain it after the national game. So that's why we take this opportunity at least to to promote tourism at the same time, and we give opportunity to the locals who want to set up these boutique hotels. But we have given them a set of guidelines where they have to incorporate where we can put our athlete or technical person in the coming days. So other than that, just a few months back also the secretary from the of sports from the union government also came here. He took the review meeting, he visited the site, he also was quite happy. And then a month back also, our commissioner secretary along with our officers have visited our union minister Dr. Mansukh Mandviyaji, and have also shared the presentation with him. So they also were quite happy with the presentation. So overall, I could say that the preparation is going well.